Element Xumo TV is a streaming device that runs on Android TV OS, originally launched under Comcast's Xumo platform. Firmware updates are essential to maintain performance, enhance security, and improve app compatibility for your Element Xumo TV. Official support has waned since mid 2024, with the last Android TV 12 based update in early 2024. Updates come in two types: over the air updates that are automatic through device settings, and manual updates that require downloading firmware files and using tools like ADB. Without updates, your Xumo TV may experience streaming lags, app crashes, and increased security vulnerabilities. As official support declines, community efforts provide unofficial firmware builds and guides to help users keep their devices functional. Since official over-the-air updates for Element Xumo TV are rare, manual updates are often the only option to keep your device current. First, locate a reputable source for firmware files, such as XDA developers forums or GitHub repositories. Make sure the firmware is compatible with your specific Xumo TV model. Next, download the firmware file, such as a .zip or .img file, and install Android Debug Bridge, or ADB, on your computer. On your Xumo TV, enable developer options by going to Settings, then About, and tapping the build number 7 times. Inside Developer Options, turn on USB debugging to allow your computer to communicate with the TV. Connect your Xumo TV to the computer using a USB cable. Then, use ADB commands in your computer's command prompt or terminal to flash the firmware onto the device. For advanced users, consider custom recoveries like TWRP for installation, though this voids warranties and carries the risk of bricking the device. Before proceeding, always back up your data. Also, ensure the TV is connected to a stable power source to prevent interruptions during the update process.